Hello everyone, Craig here, Full-Side Dreamer. Well, this is May 29th, 2023, and this little patch here, about half of this bed, it's got potatoes in it, and this one zucchini plant that's not doing anything at all. So I'm going to dig all this up and see what kind of potatoes I have in here. Yeah, the first shovelful has one small potato, actually two. There's one right there, barely see it. Well, I finished digging up one 2 foot by 4 foot section, and my harvest is not all that impressive. Seems like I got out fewer than I put in, and they're much smaller. Anyway, onward and upward, as I say. Well, that was underwhelming. They got this entire 4 by 4 foot section, and that's what I got. Not a lot for my investment, but there again, at least it's something. I put four varieties of potatoes in here, and it looks like only the white ones did anything. I got a couple small reds in there. None of the purples and none of the grocery store potatoes did anything. So go on to some of the remaining containers and go from there. I got these 3 in containers here that I'm gonna let go a few more days. Hopefully they'll size up or do something anyway. Got this other container of potatoes that I'm going to dump. See what's in them. Yeah, I kind of overshot the tub a little bit, but oh well. No harm done. There's 3 out of here so far. A couple little ones. And here's our fantastic, harvest of potatoes out of that pot. I don't know what's going on, but this year doesn't seem to be as good a year as normal for me on growing potatoes, and I've never had the abundant crops that I've seen other people have on YouTube, but hope springs eternal. If I had to survive on my potato planting skills, I would be out of luck. Anyway, back at you. Yeah, that's about it for tonight. The garden is winding down for the summer. Peas are out. These grape plants here, leaves are curling up again. Still, I understand that's due to a lack of water, but I'm not sure. I had some grape pods, whatever you call them, bunches forming, but they dried up. Anyway, my kale is still doing okay. One there, and one right there. This moringa plant or tree, whatever I thought was dead, is got some life left to it. This one's doing okay. And this one's doing even better. My pomegranates, at least some of them, have seen better days. I'm watering these all equally. And some seem to be doing just fine. And others, like that one right there, shriveling up and dying. No clue. But keep watering them, see what happens. Banana trees are doing okay. Got a little spider. Thinks he's found a home. There he is. I'll leave him alone for now. It's not hurting anything. I've got lemon tree there. I grew from seed. And another one right there. Got a couple of blueberry plants there and there that are doing well. I forget whether these are raspberries or blackberries, but they're doing okay. The banana trees, well, they're getting, 3 of them are getting lots of pups. I think it's about time to cut a couple of these off and see if I can't end up with more banana trees. That grape plant right there seems to be doing fine, as is that one right there. I've got a basil plant right there. It's going to seed. And 3 other basil plants right here. There, it's hard to see that one, and these 2. And I've got a basil plant here that's doing well. So that's about it. It's getting too hot to do much in gardening. I'm not sure if I'm going to plant anything in these empty beds or just let them go fallow for the summer. Got that one right there. It's 4x4. And this one's about a 4x6. So I might just put some compost in the ground and let it set for a while. That's about all. Y'all take care. Talk to you next time. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Bye.